Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. It is free. Today we're going to be reviewing the Anet ET4 3D printer. I got it off of Amazon. I saw it was pretty affordable. I've been wanting to start a business, so I went ahead and picked it up. And we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Okay, so far there is not a lot really. This little cover that goes over the glass, I thought that was pretty cool. Oh man. Wow. Already I'm in love with this, guys. I could feel it. It feels pretty good, very solid. It already comes pre-assembled. That I really like a lot. Here's the extruder. Nicely packaged. I love the cabling like that. Oh man, then we got the base. So far, I'm loving this because it's just a handful of little items, just a few little screws. Pretty excited. That looks very simple. All right, and then there's really only like two pieces I think we have to connect, is the bottom piece and the top piece. We got the part list here. Shows everything it comes with. That is pretty cool. Here's a setup manual. You guys see that? The setup manual has everything you need. Guys, when you're building stuff, always pay attention to manuals. One thing that I love already is, you see, they tell you right there, and they tell you the quantity of how many you need. So I have all four right there. Look how many screws I have left. All right, part two. I'm gonna do the belt. Here is where we're gonna plug everything in. Don't be scared because, guys, everything is going to be labeled for you on the cables here. We have end, we have temperature, we have fan, and they're all pre-labeled for you. Here is a closer look right here. I'm sorry for the shaking. You see that? They're all labeled for you, so you can't mess up. This is really important, guys. You use the zip ties. I was reading online. You don't want any bad cabling. So provide what they give you, because it is right here and you are supposed to use these. And we're going to hold the cables there with this little piece of plastic, and they're gonna go through these little holes right here. That's what it looked like when it should be done. See, nice and fastened against this. All right, now we move on to the user manual. So we gotta plug this cable into here. All right, guys, it's been cooling for a little bit. I was gonna do 5 minutes, but I can't wait any longer. I want to go ahead and pick it up and grab it and see everything. That came right off perfectly. Look at this, guys. For my first 3D print, I don't think that is bad at all. We have a little bit of plastic right here on the tail, but we could just simply remove that and take that out. And just a little bit on the ears, but for my first print, guys, I think I did a pretty good job. And I think this printer did a very good job. Wow, guys. That is pretty awesome. And then the bottom piece, yeah, it comes out really nice. Just a little bit of hair here and there, but all you have to do is simply remove it and it's gone. Look at that bottom. That is so perfect. I love it, guys. I am so proud of myself. So we're gonna go ahead and do another print, and then we'll see what are my thoughts on this. I'm gonna do one more. I'm probably gonna adjust some of the belts, you know, maybe check some things here and there, but for my first print, I think I did a pretty good job, guys. All right, so this is my first 3D print model, and here is my recent 3D print model. I went ahead and some of the screws were a little bit loose, so I went ahead and just tightened it just a little bit. And I had a little bit stringing on my first 3D print model around the ears and the tail, and I got some little itty bitty lines around the body. It's a very perfect print for my very first print. But after I went ahead and tightened some of those nuts, I went ahead and got this model. It came out very perfect. I haven't touched this, I haven't sanded it. I got rid of the stringing around the ears. I went ahead and got also rid of the stringing around the tail, and the butt is a little bit smoother. And all the lines that I didn't like in the last one are now gone in this model. Do I recommend this 3D printer? I definitely recommend this 3D printer. It got the job done. It's affordable. If you guys are scared, don't be scared, because I never had a 3D printer before. I encourage you to go get that 3D printer, start your dream, start your business, start your new hobby. And if you guys appreciate this or like this video and it helped, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.